Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to cancel an order on your Sharpie account. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open your web browser and sign into your Sharpie account. As soon as you open your web browser, type in www.sharpie.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Sign into your account. If necessary, and after you're signed in from your home screen, go and click on your profile picture at the upper right and click on My Purchase. On this page, you'll be able to see the list of all the purchases you're about to make or you've already made. Simply click on Cancel Purchase from this page, and you'll be able to cancel an order in Sharpie. If you want to remove audio from your shopping cart, you can go and click on the shopping basket icon in the upper right, and you'll be able to see all of the purchases you're about to make. Click on Delete in order to delete an order. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.